This is the elevator at 196 Whitney 2 Medical Building, 196 Paterson Avenue, here in East Rutherford, New Jersey. It's in Esco. There's the elevator. Back there you can see all the way up the shaft. Let's go up to 3, and let's listen. Let's go down to LL. 2,100 pound capacity. It's just your basic office building elevator. I believe this is an Esco elevator. Let's ring the alarm, bell, ADA compliant phone. I believe this is an Esco. Let's go back up to 3. Typical GAL fixtures. And the door close button works, so here we go. Hello. You have call cancel fan. 1 and 2. I guess that's the lockout for the floors, most likely. Probably going to be stopping. Yep. Yeah. Just your basic stuff. And there's your floor indicator, obviously. Just watch it close, if it will close. It might be on up peak. Oh wait, no, it's not. There it goes, and that's it. Okay guys, in honor of 186 being closed today, we're going to take one more ride on 196. You can watch the floor indicator. Ow. Okay, so we tried to get into 186, but it was closed, so this is like a bonus. Oh, and look at what that says. Vandalism. I've noticed that in these videos. I was actually watching some clips today. Apparently they wanted to vandalize the elevator, which is a stupid way to vandalize an elevator. But yeah, that's why we're taking another ride on this, because 186 is closed today due to it being Sunday, and there was no Sunday offices open, so that's why we're taking the ride on this, in honor of that. We get to one more ride. I wonder if call cancel works. I'm not sure if that works or not. I'm not looking to test it either. But yeah, Whitney 186 Paterson Avenue was closed today due to it being Sunday. So that's why we're taking a second ride on this. So now I have to finish up this video. I don't know what this is. I believe this is an Esco, but I'm not 100%. These doors don't even go all the way. This I don't think has worked in many years. Take one last look up the shaft. And there goes my phone going off. Oh, okay. Alright, this thing needs to go somewhere. Okay, so there goes my phone going off, so I gotta close this video off. Come on, let's go. Close, close, close. There it goes, and that's it.